we are here in Chennai, second day of the show, and I have with me Mr. Kaushik Moitra of Sulekha, which needs no introduction. So please, Mr. Moitra, what all do you have?
We have all the inks this time with us, and one particular pen. And we launched this ink here in Chennai. This is Ramanujam, Western Ramanujam. This is Namagiri Nilam. It's a beautiful shade. And 4 sets were sold yesterday only. And we have only 4 left now. And we also launched the K.C. Janardhan ink here. We launched it. And it's exhausted.
Sold out.
Sold out. And everything is getting sold out. I mean, the Jamini rice is getting more sold out. And people are taking interesting colors. I mean, the yellow got sold out in the very beginning. And the Swadeshi is getting sold like anything. And Shadini always moves. So it's moving. So there's nothing new in it. And interestingly, we brought all these books here. And this one, Pentales, written by you, and this one written by Dr. Rai. Both are getting sold. And this book on painting by Bappa, it's also getting sold. I mean, everyone is so fascinated with all these books and everything, and such a learned and erudite crowd here. And it's very, very nice to be here, except the heat that's outside. This is a super place, and we have a large fan following here. Everyone is coming here and telling us that we are purchasing your inks online. Last time we purchased these inks, this time we are going to purchase more and things like that. And yesterday's, at least we had 2 repeat customers today. They bought something yesterday and they can come back. Yeah.
Okay.
The first thing in the morning, this combo got sold. The first thing today, and then another Swadeshi got sold, and things like that are happening. And it's
What about this box?
Everyone is looking at it. Everyone wants to have this, and we are just displaying it here. And this is the last of this book and the last of the box. So we have so that tomorrow in the evening, when the show is over, almost over, you can take this.
What about
this combo? This is also one was sold yesterday. Yeah. One was sold yesterday, and this is the pen case with the pens and vials, and it's interesting. I mean, people are appreciating that so many things are there, and we didn't know that. And that's the fun of coming to a pen show with all the interstock, and we are really enjoying.
So what message do you have for our readers, for our viewers?
Well, enjoy writing with fountain pen the way people in Chennai do. Enjoy painting with fountain pen the way people in Chennai do, and they are so knowledgeable, and this is a lovely place, and we'll be back again next year, no doubt about that.
How do you rate the Chennai Pen Show compared to the other shows? That
It's, I think, the best. From the organization point of view, it's the best. Organization, participation, crowd pulling, it's the best. It's the best. No doubt, it's the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please say something to the viewers about Sulekha. What is your feeling?
Yeah.
Is Mr. Chandru from the Pen House? We will be doing a story on him as well, but he has a message for everyone.
Welcome to Chennai, and we have a very good market in Chennai because we in our showrooms, our people will daily ask for Sulekha ink.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you. And you have taken a lot of inks. And,
Yes.
I think the stock is exhausted.
So few inks, Gamma, brand Sulekha ink. It's a fast-moving one, and then most of the writers prefer that ink. And our customers are daily asking what is the new model which is being launched. So people are watching Instagram on daily basis, and inquiries are really overwhelming. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the good products.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chandru.
Last time I came, half the inks were sold out. Okay, and then I told him, please come next time with enough stock. Now already something has run out. We are on the beginning of the second day, not even halfway through. So what I did yesterday, I came at the beginning of the thing, and I bought the colors I wanted, and I have kept it at home. So I know this problem will be there because stock has to come from Calcutta. So anyway, so for all of us who have been dreaming of Sulekha Inks. They're one of the oldest, or probably the oldest ink manufacturer in the country, to my knowledge.
Yeah.
And please, you know where to get it. And they have online also. But anyway,
It's nice. It's always nice meeting you.
nice meeting you, sir. Okay.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we are here to launch another ink in the name of the greatest mathematician called as Srinivasan Ramanujan from Tamil Nadu. And I would also ask Chom to give a little more details about how this came into being, the box, the color, the chalk that he used, various details he will explain. And I would want Professor Madhu, who teaches in art schools here as well as art schools in Europe, is a great teacher of art, an art guru, who will also talk about this ink, and we will chip in with bits and pieces. All that I can tell you, he is a great man where all the youngsters today would have seen the movie The Man Who Knew Infinity, and whoever has watched that movie is moved to tears because this man was not recognized when he was alive, and one of the greatest mathematicians who was self-taught. He was untrained, self-taught, and he challenged the professors in Cambridge. And in that movie, I want to quote, when the professor starts writing the equation to solve the problem, even before he reached halfway stage, this man gives the answer. And that man was very particular about, give me the steps and the formula. This man is faster than the steps in the formula. There comes the answer like that. So that is the great Srinivasan Ramanujan. Over to Dr. Madhu to go into greater details of it.
Thank you. The very concept, I think, it's very mystifying. Mathematics, writing, coming together. I mean, basically, we are talking about an inspiration. There must be always a semantics associated with anything. This ink, semantically, I think, strikes a nice chord. You know, when you're talking about writing, especially, and especially to generate that kind of a fluency and that kind of a thought process. Maybe mathematics, they say it's all connected to left side of the sphere, but moment we put it in the pen, maybe it can also perhaps instigate the right side of the sphere. That would ought to make the circuit complete. I'm quite impressed with the packaging and the concept which has gone into it. It's a question of, like so many details which have been explained. From the chalk piece drawing to the numbering, what he has been considered as a sacred numbers of Ramanujam, the equations there, though I'm not a mathematician to talk much about the mathematics part of it, I can only talk about the aesthetics part, I think, which is a very good job they have done. I congratulate all the people behind it and ensure that the roaring success happens.
Thank you.
I think it is another feather in the cap for Sulekha Inks. Let me read out on the box what it says about Srinivasa Ramanujan Iyengar. 22nd December 1887 was his birth, and he died on 26th April 1920. He had no formal training in pure mathematics, yet his dexterity with problems, then considered insolvable, was universally lauded, leading many to consider him to be the greatest mathematician of all time. He was deeply spiritual, and his acumen has often been alluded to be the blessing of the family goddess Namagiri Thayar, who is believed to have granted him access to the Akashic records. Now, Akashic, as they say, is a space in space for knowledge which exists there, and very few people have access to it. The ink color is called as Namagiri Neelam fountain penning, and this is it on a board, and as it's like a blackboard and written on chalk, beautifully packaged. Thanks to Sulekha. Again, it's a matter of pride for people from Tamil Nadu because this man is from Tamil Nadu and the greatest ever mathematician of the world. That's what he is considered as.